blessings on blessings on blessings. Look at my life, man, that's lessons on lessons on lessons. I treat the beat like it's a reverend. I tell the truth like, Father, forgive me, these are all my confessions. Man, this wasn't luck, it was destiny.
You wanted a slower version of this, so this is what I made, okay? So it's going to be on two parts. This first part is the hair portion, and I'm going to do the makeup portion, and it'll be pinned down in the comments. So first, I'm just starting off by sectioning off all of the hair that I'm going to leave out of the ponytail updo. And then I'm going to start creating a ponytail, just making sure I'm keeping out all of those pieces that I pulled out. To keep everything nice, you're going to want to use hairspray and a brush and not gel because you don't want it to be stiff or anything. Don't forget your heat protectant. And then you're going to start creating those curls. So I'm just curling this one back, and I'm going to curl the next one going forward because you don't want all of your curls to be going one way. And make sure you're using hairspray before and after because you don't want your curls to be loose and fall. When all of your curls are done, you're going to take each piece and you're going to start teasing at the base so it could look full. And then you're just going to roll it, keeping those curly ends out, and use a bobby pin to secure it. And then just continue that process for the rest of your head. Placing the curls where you want them to fall. Next, you're going to take those pieces that you left out and you're going to curl them away from your face. And after that, start working on the little pieces that you left out for the edges. And I'll just curl them going upwards, and then I'll cut them. And I use foam and mousse to lay them down. And for the bang, make sure that if you got that little piece on your curling iron, you pull it down so you don't burn yourself. But you just gonna curl it away from your face so it could create this little swoop. To tame any flyaways, just use hairspray and a little brush and it'll fix it. And that's it. So that's the updo. If you want to see the makeup portion of this, just check the comments. It's down there. If you like this video, show me some love. Bye.
For a good time.